Did you know the first public enemy number one was captured alive by FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover himself? In May 1936, Alvin "Creepy" Karpis was cornered on a New Orleans street after years of terror. For half a decade, the Barker-Karpis gang had been America's most sophisticated criminal organization. They robbed banks using stolen cars, submachine guns, and inside information from corrupt officials. Their methods were ruthless and precise, striking fast and disappearing without a trace. But they didn't stop at banks. In 1933, they kidnapped brewery executive William Ham Jr., demanding $100,000 ransom. When that succeeded, they got bolder, snatching banker Edward Bremer for $200,000. They even used advanced techniques like fingerprint removal and plastic surgery to avoid capture. But their luck ran out when FBI agents surrounded Karpis in broad daylight. Hoover personally slapped on the handcuffs to boost his own reputation. Karpis got life in prison, spending 26 years at Alcatraz, the longest-serving prisoner in the fortress's history.